Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Earningclicks. Today we will discuss about best online earning apps to make money. I never thought twice about earning money from my phone. Fast forward to the age of smartphones, and it started to make sense. Today, it's amazing how easy it is to earn some side cash from the palm of my hand. If you're looking for new ways to make extra money, you'll want to check out the top 10 money earning apps. There are more than 10 apps that can earn you money, but I wanted to point out the best apps to make money fast. This list includes money-making apps for Android phones and iOS. I personally earn money from the top 5 apps in this list and will also share with you 5 other legitimate money-earning apps through people I've interviewed and testimonials. Out of all the online earning apps I have used and researched, these are the winners. So let's discuss all one by one. But before moving ahead, if you still not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get my video notifications. Best apps to make money fast. Number 1. Rakuten. Rakuten is one of my favorite online best earning apps because you get cash back for things you're going to buy anyway, as long as you do it through their app. How? Stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending customers to their store. Rakuten splits that commission with you, so you both win. Number 2. Dash. Dash is a must-have cashback app. I absolutely love it. It's all passive income since all you need to do is link your credit/debit card and it will automatically give you cash back when you shop, eat, travel, and more at participating local and national merchants. Hashtag 3. Ibotta is another app that allows you to get cashback for items you buy anyway. I love this app. Download the Ibotta app and before you shop, add offers on products you normally purchase anyway. Buy the products you selected at any participating store. Don't forget your receipt. Redeem your offers by taking a photo of your receipt. Ibotta will match the items you bought to the offers you selected and give you the cash. Your cashback will be deposited into your Ibotta account within 48 hours. Number 4. Acorns is a neat money-earning app to get you to start micro-investing. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference on your behalf. For example, if you buy a coffee for $1.75, Acorns will round it up to $2 and automatically invest 25 cents in smart portfolios. You can link as many credit or debit cards as you like and put your change to work for you in a low-cost ETF. Number 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another app for earning money that will pay you to take surveys, watch videos, search the web, refer friends, and test products. This app won't make you rich, but it's an easy way to make some extra money. Number 6. Healthy Wage. Healthy Wage is a money-earning app supported by the government to incentivize people to lose weight by putting their own money at risk with the potential to earn up to $10,000. Number 7. Instacart. Do you need to make money fast? Consider Instacart and get paid for doing something you do almost every week, grocery shopping. People pay for convenience every day, and that does not exclude the daunting task of grocery shopping. Instacart has capitalized on this need for those who want to leave the shopping to someone else. It opens a door for you to fulfill the orders, make the delivery, and get paid. You can easily make $100 or more per day in just 3 hours. This is one of the best apps to make money fast. Number 8. Seated. So, here's the thing. When I became a stay-at-home mom, we've had to cut costs on going out to eat. I need every incentive to go out to eat, and thanks to Seated, I get paid when I eat out, if I make a reservation through their app. The payment is in gift cards, and you can typically make $10 to $50 each time you book a reservation. I know someone who eats out a lot and made $200 in 1 month using this online earning app. Number 9. Foap. Foap is a money-earning app that photographers can use to make money from their phone. You do not have to be a professional photographer, but it would be good to learn how to take quality photos from your smartphone. The Foap app has something called missions where companies will tell you what kind of photo or video they are looking for, and if you decide to take on that mission and your photo/video is selected, you could win hundreds of dollars. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the company is after. 10. Trim. Want to negotiate your Comcast bill for a lower price, lower your car insurance, and find additional ways to save money? Let the Trim app do it for you. Trim acts as your personal financial assistant. Link your bank to the Trim app and they will analyze your spending and work to save you money in every area. Money saved is money earned. Trim makes money by taking 25% of the money they save you, so you know they are working extra hard to save you money. Hopefully this video will help you out to find best side hustle for your living. Thanks for watching.